guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have June's collaboration with STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. You guys, so I just received June's collaboration with STYLEVANA. They did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me a box of goodies to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now you guys, they've been sending me this for a few months now, and every single month there's new items in here, and I'm loving everything that I have used so far. So I can't wait to see what they sent this time for me to show you guys. And I do have a code with them. My code is INF10 SheCrafty, and that'll get you 10 to 15% off your entire purchase, depending on how much it is. If you spend over a certain amount, it'll switch to 15%, but you always get the 10% on any items that you would like. And I will link them all down below. You can definitely check them out. So right now we're gonna go ahead and go through and see what they sent for me to show you for our May collaboration. Let's go ahead. They always package everything so good. I do want to point that out. Everything is completely always wrapped, packaged very, very well, and they have extremely fast shipping. So let's go ahead and go with this first, since this is what's still in my hands. So this right here is from iUnic, and that is a really good brand. I've used a lot of different products from that brand, and I've enjoyed all of them so far. This is a bubble cleansing foam. Okay, I'm really excited about that. I love any type of cleansers, toners, any type of skincare. I just absolutely love, because I use it on a daily basis. So a bubble cleansing foam, that is really neat. I cannot wait to test this out and try it. But again, I use cleansers or some type of a cleaning solution on my face every single night. So I'm so glad to try this. And it is a Centella bubble cleansing foam. So let's see. So with the plastic off, that's what it looks like. And it's just the pump. I don't want to get too much because I don't want to make a mess, but so it comes out like a foam. And I'm not really picking up on a scent. If there is one, it's not very strong at all, because I can't smell it. No, I don't smell anything. There's some foam on me. I don't smell anything. So there's the first item right there. So then the second thing is going to be right here. And this says it's a ginseng essence water. This says, after cleansing, pour a few drops onto your hands and pat into your face. So let's see. Maybe it's that color because of the ginseng, but there's that. And so you just put a few, I was thinking it was going to be like a different, I wasn't thinking it was going to be this consistency. I was thinking it was going to be more of like a moisturizer, but it's because it's essence water. So then you would use this as a toner then. Pour a few drops onto your hands and pat into your face. So there's that package one more time. I can't wait to try this stuff. Next we have is this product right here, and it says a lightweight sun fluid for face and body, SPF 50+, UV Defense Me. Yes, I definitely need some defense from the UV rays myself, so go ahead and you can defend me from that sun all day long. I don't remember, I got a small, the same brand, it was a smaller one, and it was a pink, it was all like pink in color, where this one's blue in color, and it was a small little sample size of it. I don't remember where I got that from, but I actually did enjoy it. So I'm really glad to see a full-size big version of the same brand, because I really did like that one. It's a lightweight sun fluid for face and body. It didn't go on greasy. It is white, but it blended into my skin pretty quick. I use it every time I was going out to the garden until I used it all. So it's this color. There's no scent or anything on the other one. Let me see if there's on this one. Probably not. I mean, I smell a slight scent of just like what a normal like moisturizer, like a standard moisturizer would smell like. So nothing too crazy or anything like that, but this did help me when I was outside in the sun. So I'm so glad to see that this is in here, because now I have a full size version. But this is a good sunscreen, you guys. So that is what the brand looks like right there. And yeah, so I'm really excited about that. full-size sunscreen. Now we have, it says, an Essence Sun Pack. What is this? It says white base and cooling essence. Essence 3-in-1 pack. Okay, what do I do with you? Ingredients. Let's see. Oh, it is a really pretty packaging. I was not expecting that. And it's a sun pack. What are you? There's a little thing up here. And then what is in here? What in the world? There's that. What is this? An Essence Sun Packed. Sun Packed. What is this? SPF 50. Is this a sunscreen in a compact? Is that what sun packed means? Is a sunscreen in a compact? Is that what this is? It says with base of cooling essence. There's no directions on here. It's a VT Cosmetics. I'm gonna need to do some research on this. I think this might be a sunscreen compact. And if so, for one, I love that mint green color, but that is so neat. You just push the button right here. It releases, it opens. You have a mirror up here, which, you can remove that to a clear mirror. You can just leave it foggy like that. You have their logo with the little sponge here that feels really nice. It feels like a nice quality sponge. And then you just push this over and it's that inside. Oh, and if you're setting it here, look, you even have a little opening. You can set your thing right there while you're looking in the mirror. So it's not, upside down. It has a little indentation. You can let it sit here when you're on that side. What is this though? I think it's a sunscreen, you guys. It's something and it's clear. It has like a slight bluish purple tinge to it. I don't know. I think that might be a sunscreen. I'm gonna look. I'm excited for whatever this item is right here. That's for sure. So we have an Essence Sun Packed. That's all it says. Essence Sun Packed. I'm excited. I'm so excited. Now we have something in this box and it's by that same brand of this. So I'm really excited to see more from that brand. It says My Best Skin Friend. Let's get this box opened. Ooh, that is so cute. Look at the packaging. What are you? You're so cute. And then it's packaged in tissue paper with that. And it's a little box. What in the world? That was so cute. The packaging is just adorable. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm super excited. There's 2 different products in here. This one says Comfort Me Extra Moisture Essence Containing Deep Moisture. And then this one here says Comfort Me Tea Tree Calming Essence. Tea Tree Essence, effective for soothing care, fresh calming. So there's the 2 packages and let's get them opened. I'm excited. Like I said, I'm always excited to see more from the same brand and I've never seen these before. So that's what they look like out of the package. And is there any information like directions? Let's see. Soothing height. Okay, so I'm reading off the green one right now. So here we go. So this one says Tea Tree Calming Essence, Soothing Hydration Essence infused with 86% of tea tree leaf extracts, helps to calm and soothe the skin. Directions: after using a toner, apply an appropriate amount on the face. So just for calming your skin after your cleansing and toning, you just put this on your face. I'm actually so excited to try that. Then this blue one right here, this one says Comfort Me Moisture Essence. The essence makes skin healthy and moisturized and provides abundant moisture. Directions: after using a toner, apply an appropriate amount to your face. So same thing, but this one is for moisture where this one's for soothing. So when my face is like red from outside, then I always can use the soothing to help my skin, or if it has a flare up or anything like that. And for moisture, use this one. So that's cool that they come in. That's why it said, would say your best friend, my best skin friend. So it gives you both to use. So I'm actually really excited to try those. So now I have in here is a Galaxy 2x Bubble Sparkling Multi Mask, yellow and velvet. So this says that it is a wash off mud formula. Yellow is for the T-zone treatment for purifying, and the velvet is the U-zone treatment for vitalizing. And there's that. So I can try that out. Again, you have 2 different colors for 2 different zones. So purple on your U-zone, yellow on your T-zone. So that's cool. You leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you just wash it off. So there's that. And then the last item in here, you guys, is right here. It says 97%. And what are you? An ampule that contains 97% bifida, bifida ferment. It provides moisture and nourishment for your skin. And it says how to use. Apply a moderate amount evenly to your face. So I'm assuming once you cleanse and tone, then you apply it to your face as you want. Let's get it open and see what it looks like. Ooh, it is a big bottle, but it says after apply a moderate amount evenly to the face. So there's that. It's completely sealed. A little squirt will do ya. And let's see. So I put just a little bit on my hand. It's a watery consistency. I don't smell anything, and again, if I do, it's nothing strong enough for me to even pick up on because I don't smell anything, but it's like a watery solution. So I'm gonna do a little bit of research on these items to get a little bit more information on the ones that I like, the 2 that I'm unsure of, which I think were these 2. And then this one, definitely I'm super excited to find out, but I'm so glad that they did send me these items because I can show you more about STYLEVANA. They have so many things to choose from. And again, INF10 SheCrafty will get you 10 to 15% off. I have all of the links for everything down below if you like to check them out. And yeah, I'm super excited to try these out. They have new and exciting items coming out all the time. They have tons and tons of items from skincare to makeup. It is all there on their site. They have so many different skincare products. Like, you can get lost going through all of their pages. You can always go to, if you know a certain brand that you like, they even have them where you can itemize them by the brand. But they have so many different items that you can look at everything that they have to offer. And again, everything that they've sent me, I'm like loving everything so far. And I'm so thankful that they do send them. So now you guys can know about more products that STYLEVANA has to offer. So that is everything for this particular video, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the items that they sent for this month's collaboration? What do you think of STYLEVANA? Have you checked them out? Have you purchased anything from them? Let me know all the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.